Guys,
we are in the North Seoul Dream Forest. We thought today that we were gonna go hike a mountain, and then we couldn't bring Willow, and we wanted to, so we've also never climbed a mountain before, so it probably would have been really difficult because I'm already like dead just walking in here.
This is our practice before to go to mountain. So
I think we might just walk through here pretty quickly and then maybe just go watch the cherry blossoms because they definitely are prettier than like in here. So.
And you're gonna watch deer.
Yeah, because
Willow
loves
deer. Where's deer?
Wanna see some deer? Let's go.
Bye guys. I took it.
Oh my god.
Look guys, this is our Lindsay and me distance. Cause Willow.
Do you think she knows where the deer are?
Willow just running.
She literally just sprinted down that like mountain over there.
Stop running. Willow! Willow, where are you? Oh, there is pretty girl. Willow, where are you? There is. Yeah, so like spring. I can see deer, Willow.
She definitely wants the deer. She's not looking at the dog. See that? Go! You gotta be nice or you're gonna scare them.
Willow, baby.
They're not moving. You like the deer? There's a birdie too. I guess she could watch them forever.
Yeah, just stuck in there.
She could just watch them all day.
Willow. Willow. You wanna see them? You wanna meet them? Hi dear. Bye Willow. Hi baby. Hey baby.
I don't think she was sure, would you?
Cute dog. babe.
Hi.
Suddenly workout. Lunge.
Is it proper?
Yeah, it's right. Nope,
Oh.
not that one. One more time.
I'm so tired.
Good girl. Fitness girl. Nice.
My balance is really just that bad.
What are you doing?
Taking a picture. I took a picture in the fall from the same spot, and like the fall colors were so pretty. So now the cherry blossoms and the yellow flowers are out, so I'm trying to recreate the picture.
Like this background.
Hey guys,
Hi guys.
we're home.
Finally.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed that really short story. We just really wanted to go out and see the cherry blossoms and go hiking a little bit.
Yeah, we
And,
real loud
yeah.
because she's boring these days. Can't go outside anywhere, so.
Yeah, but we hope you guys enjoyed this short little story. Sorry it wasn't really long, but we hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. So if you did, please like and comment and
Subscribe, guys.
we will see you next time. Bye
Bye-bye.
guys.
Stay safe.